Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a vacation resort inspired style haul video from SHEIN. So this blazer and this beautiful white dress is from SHEIN. They do have a SHEIN for all collection going on right now where it's very size inclusive. The models on this site are showing different sizes, different complexions, different types of women, and I absolutely love that. So I love this SHEIN for all campaign and I'm so excited to be a part of it. This dress is absolutely amazing. It's in a size medium and it fit me perfectly. The length is good. It's sexy and modest at the same time. Love that about that look. So this two-piece set is super cute. I feel like the fit could have been a little better. This is a size medium, but I felt like the skirt was too tight and the top was a little loose around the bottom of the top. I feel like it could have been a little more secure. So the top was a little loose and the skirt was way too tight. The bag is also from SHEIN from about 6 months ago, but I still love this bag forever and ever. I love it. So this next dress was a super surprise to me. This dress fit so beautifully. It was so comfortable, lightweight. I know it's long sleeve and you're like, wait a minute, Jess, this is supposed to be a resort haul, but I really do feel like this is a great vacation dress, and it would just be so nice in a warmer climate because the fabric is lightweight and it's just so soft and comfortable. This next dress is a sundress. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a crisscross in the back and it zips closure around the waist. It does have a split. I wanted the split to be higher, so I'm definitely going to open the split up more and just, you know, make that alteration myself. But I absolutely love this dress. I had a similar dress to this from SHEIN before. It was in like a green shade, but I love this updated colorway that they're offering in it. It just screams resort and vacation. So this next look I knew was going to be fire. I'm just also so glad that it fit properly. I love this dress. Now the top is very thin and lightweight, so if you wanted to, you could definitely put a strapless bra on under it, and if that would make you feel more comfortable, it's definitely an option. But as far as quality goes, the skirt itself and the wraparound is really a nice quality of cotton. The top is a little thin, but I actually really love this dress and I was feeling myself, y'all. This next set is absolutely beautiful, perfect for resort. It will photograph amazingly. The colorway is so neutral but yet beautiful. I love the texture of the fabric. The fabric feels so great. I love how SHEIN is really paying attention to fabric and the way it flows and the way it moves on the body. It just makes it so much more comfortable to wear these pieces, even though they're super affordable. I really love that about the new direction for SHEIN. So this next piece I did pair with the pants from the two-piece set, and then I put this retro top on. I absolutely love this top. It does have a pair of pants that match it. I didn't get it, but I think I'm gonna double back and grab the matching pants because I absolutely love this look. It's definitely giving me 70s vibes and I was feeling myself, you guys. The top is a little small. I should have went with a size large, but I, you know, made it work with the medium. This next set is really cute. I love this set. The only thing I will say is the shorts get a little indecent, like they're a little bit short for my taste. I would love for them to be a little longer, but I absolutely love this top and I love the print. It matches my Moschino bag and my Michael Kors shoes, so I will definitely be wearing this when I go out of town. Probably a beach outfit with a swimsuit underneath. This next outfit I am obsessed with. I paired this skirt with a top that I already had from SHEIN from several months ago, and this bag that I already had from SHEIN from several years ago. And I just love how this is looking. It's giving resort, and I absolutely love it. I feel like I'm like literally walking through Cozumel, Mexico, or down on the beach in Jamaica. This last outfit is not particularly resort ready, but when I saw this dress, I just knew that I could incorporate it into my color palette and into my closet very easily. And I just loved it when I saw it, and when I put it on, I absolutely loved it too. I don't particularly love the underlining mini skirt underneath it because you can see that. I'm gonna cut that away and put a longer underlining skirt underneath it, but I'm just gonna make that alteration myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more. Like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, share it with a friend, share it with a clothing haul lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.